I'm recording
What
it.
are these
Can
called?
you start?
Yeah.
What are these called?
These are the Moruga Scorpions
Let's see it.
You guys are gonna
by
cry.
Jim Duffy.
And they're fools. They're gonna just stick it in their mouth.
Okay, one.
Hottest
Almost around a
chili
million
there is.
Scoville units. But, alright, well, here goes nothing.
Oh gosh. Move closer together. Oh my god.
Callie.
Counting? Is someone counting?
Oh, my timer is like 35, 36. Oh my god. Jamie's already
Look
crying.
at your face.
What? Oh my god. Okay, she's checking it out.
I wasn't done yet. It's so hot though. Get it off.
It's not as bad as I thought, though.
It's not done yet.
It's freaking me out.
Is it getting worse?
Yeah? Stop, baby, please.
But,
I'm zooming in on your face.
got some tears. Got an A tier.
I love this, seeing Jamie actually have something too hot.
I'm not too hot. It's not that hot yet. But it's definitely still building.
I'm freaking out, personally. My whole mouth is like, I can't even move it. It feels like it's back in the minutes.
Your eyes are really watering.
So are his.
Definitely still
Is
building.
it getting hot? Hotter?
I don't think it's getting as hot as... No, not that hot. Well, mine's not hot anymore.
Lies. God, it's so horrible.
Watch Callie cry.
It's not as hot as what I thought it was going to be.
ice cream, Callie. See if it helps.
That's why it's Scorpion Chilies. And that's by Jim Duffy. That didn't seem like a million Scoville units, but I don't know. We'll see. That's in my garden too. Alrighty.